Since the last video of the Vitesse, I've moved house, but I did manage to get a little bit done before, but I didn't get to video, unfortunately. So this video will showcase some of the photos of the up-to-date model and how we got there. Now, as you can see, I've now made a floor panel, transmission tunnel and the rear interior panel, as well as the front firewall. And now to see how we got there. So I started off with the doors, and as you can see, my first attempt with a bead roller was a little bit on the wavy side. Next, I moved on to the rear quarters with some more bead rolling, and also bending over the top edges to make the fins was also quite a challenge. Next up was to try and make the bonnet. With the decreasing curve of the bonnet edges and the bead rolling, this proved to be quite a challenge. And as you can see from this picture, I've also modified the doors quite heavily, as the piece in front of the side window was just way too long. Next, I attempted the roof, which at first wasn't that difficult, but then I took a better look at my reference pics and discovered that I'd missed out the upward side channels. So this time I incorporated these and also decided to include the windscreen. Then I turned my attention to the boot lid, or trunk, which I used the bead roller on to make the indent and the Dremel to clean it up a little bit. Now, after adding in a slightly curved rear window, which, like the front, I will cut the actual window out later, leaving just the frame, and then adding in the boot, I'm rather happy with how it now looks. Considering I've never done any metal fabrication before, I think it looks pretty good. Now, putting the body to one side for now, it was time to start on the chassis. I made the frame rails, adding the drive shafts and the wheels and the suspension, which obviously doesn't work. Now, it's not spot on to a proper Vitesse chassis, and the welding definitely isn't amazing, but seeing as it's so small, it's not that easy for a beginner like me. After taking the wheels off, so it was easier to work on, I added the floor pan incorporating the seals, the transmission tunnel and the rear boot to cabin partition, as well as the inners of the rear quarter panels. And now we're back to its current state. As you see, there are no doors due to the minor alterations made to the rest of the bodywork. To get everything to fit properly, the doors no longer fit, so I'll have to be making some more. So there we have it. Hopefully soon I'll be getting some more time to be able to get on and complete this project, and more videos will come. Thanks for your patience.